Let's go. Jump situation between number 18 and 16. Stop. Press Maes. Move. Agusa to Mr. Flores. Flores in the middle. Pass. Back to Flores. Agusa. Shete sa gilid. Sa gitna. This is Flores. Swing. Drop. Shot. Counted. Using the glass by number 24. Inbound ball by number 1 to number 21. Number 21 dribble the ball. Guarded by number 7. Number 21 Red. Using the pick. Nagkakaroon na papasaan. Pin nasa kay 16. Pin natin kay 21. 21 sa gitna. Nilabas kay number 16. Traveling. Ang tawag ni referee Bulan. Inbound ball by number 7. Number 7 to number 26. Flores may tangang bola. Number 18 sa gilid. Binalik kay number 26. Guard na number 29. Cross sa gitna. Tulyo. Wala mula sa kanya pa rin. Nilabas kay number 7. Number 7. Sa loob. Out of bounds. Same low. Inbound ball by Flores. Flores. Number 18. Elbow shot. Counted. Number 18.
Starting off good, bro.
Number 1 dribble ball guarding by Flores. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Number 12 taking 3. Malakas! Rebound ni number 18. Pass to Flores. Tres Marias. Flores. Binabas ng bagya. Sa gitna. Drop. 24. Sa gitna ulit. Ang ganda ng pasa. Counted by number 18. 8 minutes remaining. Number 1. Guarded by Flores. Number 1 dribble ball using the pitch. Cross. Power. Layup. Malakas. Pinamay. Nakuha ni number 16. Number 16. Sa gilid. Nilabas kay number 21. Shot. Short. Rebound ni. Flores. Ito na ang batang rotate. Umikot. Pumeke. Tinira. Ay! Tumama nga lang sa rin. Nakuha ni number 16. Number 16 sa gitna. Kay Uno. Cross. Sa kanya na punta. Counted by number 1. 7 minutes and 20 remaining. Flores dribble the ball. Sa gitna. Pitch na sa kay 18 sa gilid. Pitch na kay Flores sa gitna. Ay Usa. Kay 18. Elbow jumper. Malakas. Rebound number 24. Using the glass foul. Just out by number 1. Number 1 committed first personal foul or first team foul. Ball shot by number 24.
Let's see if the momentum keeps on.
Counted. Foul ball by number 1 to number 21. Lamang na ng 7. Ang Tres Marias, 21, guarded by number 7. Straight by Batang Rote. Ito na naman si Flores. Napakabilis talaga. Iniwan kay number 7. Elbow jumper. Inap. Nariwan ni number 80. Pass to Flores. Nilabas ng bagay ang bola. Guarded by number 1. Crossover. Half step. 21. Oh! Foul by number 21. Number 21 committed first personal foul, a second team foul. Inbound the ball by Flores to number 24. Same ball. Flores ulit. Lapas. Intercepted by number 29. Out of bounds. Same ball. Number 7 nilawas kay Flores. Flores may tangan ng bola. Pinigay kay number 80. Nag-aaral na papasakan. Pinigay kay number 17. Number 17. Take it quick. Oh. Flores. Crossover. Trap. 24. Wala. Naribang pa rin ni number 24. Far move. Nilabas na konti kay number 7. Elbow jumper. Using the gas. Counted. At lumalayo na po ang Tres Marias. Number 1 guarding by Flores. Number 1 pa rin. Pinigay kay number 29. Number 29. Nilabas din number 12. Saligay number 29 sa gitna kay number 21. Tumingin ng 3 points and number 21.
That's Otto Icon. That's my god sister.
Captain and number 17.
They got good rotation.
Next time out, ref. Next time out.
Did you not the Otto Icon?
Number 1, gamit pa yun. Flores using the beat. Number 1 pa rin. Tumira ng 3. Short. Na-rebound yung number 29. Number 1 pa rin. Cross. Sa gilid. Pump. Foul. Foul by number 17. 18. Reserves up.
Somewhere.
Stop, stop. Stop down, stop.
Oh, check it out. Right in front of Pink. Oh, right.
Nag-time out na, nag-time out na. Tres Marias ball. Inbound ball by number 7 Ortiz to Flores sa gitna. Binawan na ni number 1 using the pitch. Drop intercepted by number 12. Number 12, 2 versus 2 situation. Number 12, no problem.
Time out, ref.
Time out. Tres Marias. Back to the game.
Otto sitting down sa outside.
Magandang gabi po, Ate Berta. Ate sponsor.
27. Ruagusa.
Sponsor ng Team Tres Marias.
Flores. Ortiz. 24. Binili kay number 7, number 17. Nagkaroon ako sa akin. Nasa kay number 7. Number 7 to Flores. Intercepted by number 12. Send ball po tayo. 1 minute and 40 para sa ating first quarter. Inbound the ball by Flores. Flores. Inside. Send ball. Flores. Number 24. Ortiz, elbow jumper, short, rebound by number 16. Hop! Kabila tayo, ref, kabila.
Can you cut the ball?
Inbound mo by number 12. Number 12 to number 10. Number 10 back to number 12. Number 12, may sana ng golo sa gitna nagharap. Pin na sa kay number 21. Tumira naman ng tres. Pitin. Ang ganda ng pasa. Number 12 to number 1. Counted. 42 seconds. Flores to Ortiz. Ortiz to Agusa. Agusa. Elbow jab. Shot. Sariwa ni number 21. Outlet na naman kay number 1. Sol. Counted by number 1. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Tres Marias. Inbound the ball by Agusa. Pass to number 26. Flores. Flores. Dumine. Trap. Wala. Rebound ni Agusa pero may pito. Foul by number 21. Number 21 committed second personal foul at third team foul. Wala nang oras.
Gab! Gab!
Game. Number 1. Ito na, bagong ano na to. 40. Shoot. Kanino? Rest ba rest ball? Ball by number 23 to number 2. Number 2 sa gitna, trap to number 24. Foul. Foul by number 10. Number 10 committed first personal foul, second personal foul. 7. Pala 7.
Robot chicken. Robot chicken. Sure.
Number 1. Sa gitna, kumigay ng ball. Binigay kay number 10 to number 1. Pinalik. To number 10. Gawal mo magkakampi. Number 3 na nagkakapapasahan. Naharas na, naharas. Binigay kay number 1. Number 1. 8 minutes and 40. Number 1. Nakasin kay number 40. Number 1 pa rin. Sakit na pa rin ang bola. Using the pick. Body check. Ang ganda ng depensa. Number 10, tumira ng 3. Bang! Counted by number 10. Balik. Hold na naman po tayo. Number 2 to number 24. Ang ganda ng intercept ni number 16. Pick. Nasa kay number 10. Pick. Higay kay number 1. Number 1. Pinapatay ng number 14. Sa gitna ni number 1. Ang ganda ng laglag. Wala pa nakasyalan. Nariba ng number 24. Pinigay kay number 14. Number 14. Pinapatay ang foul. Foul by number 3. Number 3 committed first personal foul. Second team foul. Not counted. Basket. 14. Number 10 to number 1. Number 1 dribble the ball. Number 1 pa rin. Pin nasa kay number 10. Umira ng 3. Short. Nariman ni number 14. Number 14. Ang road pin. Ito na si number 14. Pin nasa kay number 2. Tumira ng 3. Bang! Counted by number 10. Reserve side tayo, rep. Number 1. Bumawi. Ay, using the glass. Number 14, may tanga na bola. Using the pick. Number 14, elbow jumper. Bang! Ang ganda ng kadita. Bumabalin si number 1. Number 1. Hesi. To number 10. Sa gitna, nilagdag kay number 16. Foul move. Pinasa kay number 3 sa gilid. Bang! 3-point by number 3. Tie game na naman po tayo. Number 14, using the pick. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Tagilid. Rebound in number 4. Number 4. Intercepted by number 6. Pick niya sa number 1. Number 1 pero may foul. Foul by number 2. Sub tayo rin. Sub. Sub. Down the ball by number 12. Number 12 to number 29. Number 29 to number 16. Sa gitna, elbow jumper. Tagilid. Rebound ni number 14. Ito ang Violet. Pero mas mabilis ang Azul. Violet between the legs. Taking 3. Bang! Isang between the legs. Sabay the rest. Sapat na. Para kay number 14. Number 1. Number 1 behind the back to number 12 sa gilid. Inap, tari lang yun. Same ball tayo. 4 minutes and 45. Invaluable by number 3. Number 3 to number 16 pero may foul. Foul by number 17. Number 17 committed first personal foul was second team foul. By number 16. Dalawa na lang ang alaman ng Tres Marias. Lalayo kaya. Number 14, dribble ball. Setting the play. Pass to number 2. Back to number 14. Tumira ng Tres. Pasok na naman para kay number 14. Ang ganda ng kamay. Saan po hinawak yan? Number 1, got by number 16, foul. A lucky foul by number 16. 16 committed first personal foul at 13 foul. Sa Brett. Foul the ball by number 29 to number 12. Number 12 to number 10. Number 10 intercepted. Number 4 outlet to number 16. Number 16 play. Next time on number 1. Number 1. Side step. Ang ganda lang muna. Kaso wala. Time out. Espina. Tres Marias ball. Rebound by number 4. Number 4 to number 17 to number 14. Ito na naman ang mainit na kamay between the legs. Binigay kay number 2. Binabanay na number 10. Binigay kay number 14. Using the pick. Cutting jump. Crossover. In and out. Drop to number 4 to number 16. Tumira ng 3. Short nga lang na ni number 16. 16 to number 1. Galing na number 14. Number 1. Number 1. Ay! Bumalik na sa kanilang bola. Number 10, power move, spin, shot. Rebound ni number 4. Number 4 to number 14. Eto na naman si Mr. Hot Hands. Between the legs. Step back. Bigay kay number 17. Cross pass to number 2. Number 2 to number 17. Back to number 14. Number 14. Nagharap na papasahan si number 2. Take 3. Bang! Lumalayo na naman po ang Tres Marias kontra Espina. Number 1, dribble the ball, got him by number 16. Foul! Foul by number 16. Number 16 committed second personal foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Number 12 to number 29. Back to number 12. Number 12, committed ng Tres Malas. Na-rebound to number 16. Number 16 by foul. Foul by number 4. Number 4 committed first personal foul penalty.
Every quarter, the team allowed 5. Anything after 5 is automatic.
Basket! Espinable. Number 16 sa middle. Ay! Short na lang. Rebound ng number 24. Number 24. Nagpapadali na naman ang makapagkakarote ng Tres Martinez. Number 2 to number 14. Hot hand sumira ng Tres. Here's the cross counted by number 14. Nakarami na to. Kailangan naman tayo ng may ito. Number 20 na. So number 21. Number 21. Dito na sa gitna. Tindrap kay number 16. Ang ganda. Using left hands. Kasi short. Rebound na ito si Flores. Tumito yung konti. Naghanap na papasahan. Binigay kay number 14. Binigay kay Flores. Flores sa gitna. Nilagay kay 24. Up and under. Ang ganda ng lagay. Lumabas ka ng laban ni number 24. Side step. Wala. Short. Natapa ni number 16. Foul. Foul by number... wala. Sorry. Outside. Wala. Outside. Sorry. Number 29. Guarded by number 14. Pass to number 12. 23. Ito na naman ang asul. Bumawalik na ang Espina. Palitan ng tempo. Ito na, ang magic move. Number 14, using the pick. 14 to number 2 na naman. Short. Rebound na number 12. Blue, 3 versus 2. 2 versus 2. Number 1, yo-yo shot. Counted. Ang bilis. Number 14, guarded by number 21. Using the pick. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 21. Jump step. Ang ganda ng drop kick out. Short nga lang na-rebound ni number 12. Number 12. Papawi ang zoom. Out and pass. 3 versus 1. Ang ganda ng wrap around pass. Iwan. Time out. Ang sagot na Tres Marias. Time out. Tres Marias. Inbound mo by Flores. 4 na po ang kalamangan ng Tres Marias. Number 7. Kick out to number 4. Pass to Flores. Tumira ng Tres. Short to the rebound. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Crossover. Side hit. Ang ganda ng laglag. Ay! Hindi na pumasok na rebound ni number 24. Number 24. Babawi ang bahay ng number 24. Side step. Wala. Foul number 21. Number 21 committed. Third personal foul. The first team foul para sa team ng Espina. Counted. Counted. 2. 5 minutes and 14 para sa ating third quarter. Number 1 behind the back. Guarded by number 14. Using the pick. Number 1 pass to number 12. Game out by number 4. Pass to number 26. Flores. May tanga ng bola. Flores to number 7. Ortiz guarded by number 21. Cross pass to number 14. Oh! Foul. Foul by number 4. Offensive foul. Foul. Second personal foul. First team foul. Illegal swinging. Foul by number 4. Number 1 guarded by Flores. Number 21. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 21. Pass to number... Oh! Traveling tayo. Flores. Hop! Ang ganda ng depensa. Number 7 to number 26. Number 26. Guarded by number 21. Number 26. Crossover. Sa gitna. Kick out to number 7. Pinalik kay number 24. Ayan na naman! Foul by number 21. Number 21 committed forward. Personal foul. Warning to Broadway. Substitution. A second team foul para sa team ng Espina. Counted. 3 minutes and 35. Number 12, dribble the ball. Using the pick. Sa gitna. Pick pass to number 10. Back to number 12. Iwan nga lang yung bola. Number 7. Dahil by number 1. Ang ganda ng depensa. Ni number 1. Number 29. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Power move. Using left. Wala. Nakagawa sila mag-ampe. Over to your place. Solo. I'm a blue.
It's like I'm sick for a run. Cold.
Halubin ka talaga, Mr. Right?
Blue ball. Siyam na po ang alamangan ng Tres Marias kontra Espina. Number 29. Number 29 guarded by number 7. 29 to number 16. Number 16. Nagkaroon na papasampi. Nasa kay number 2. Wide to win ng Tres shoot. Rebound to number 10. Foul move. Using the glass. Counter by number 10. Inbound by number 24. Pass to number 7. Number 7 Ortiz. Ortiz to Flores. Galing by number 1. Using the pick. Going left. Why, ang ganda ng in-and-out. Tirot, malakas nga lang. Rebound ni number 24. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Galing by Flores. Hop! Ang bilis talaga na yun ng batang rotate talaga. Number 1. Laglag. Ay! Short nga lang. Rebound ni number 24. Number 24. Pina sa kay number 7. Malakas nga lang ang pasa. Sayang. Inbound by number 29, pass to number 16, back to number 29. Last 1 minute para sa ating third quarter. Number 29, number 10. Number 10, nagkaroon na papasa. Pinta sa kay number 12, pinta kay number 10. Pinta ng Flores. Malakas. Naribaw ni Flores ang bola. 3 versus 2 situation para sa Verde at Azul. Purple pala. Foul by number 10. First personal foul. A third team foul. 7 committed first personal foul.
Now we got to the fourth quarter of the ball game, where every shot is regulated by a 24-second shot clock.
Yeah, but we
So
only got
this is the time where you have to put pressure in every possession.
Hey, it's me and Matthew.
Okay? You have to dive for every shot. If you don't do that, you might as well go home now.
What did the ref say? Oh, okay, no. It's off. You're not gonna fix the shot clock?
Yung shot lang po dyan sa may kabila, medyo malabo lang oh, pero okay ho yan.
Yeah. Looks ugly, yeah? He bought a fee. He bought a fee. He bought a fee. She bought a fee? No, me. When did you buy that?
Football. Gumagana, gumagana. Alright, stop yan. Andrew Vito. Number 7. Guarding by number 21, number 7 pa rin. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 2 to number 16. Guarding by number 1, second na kay Augusta. Pinali kay number 2, 10 seconds to shoot. Elbow jumper. Malakas. Rebound kay number 16. Number 16, umikot-ikot. Nilabas ang bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Guarding by number 21, pass to number 16. Number 16, nagkaroon na papasahan. 5 seconds to shoot. Ay! Pinasa sa kalaban number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Layup. Counted by number 10. Ball by number 23. Pass to number 7. Number 7 to pass to number 17. Number 17. 15 seconds to shoot. Guarded by number 1. Number 17. Pass to number 7. Number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Sagilid kay number 2. 3-point by number 2. Number 21. Nagpapadali na soon. 8 minutes remaining and 56. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 10. Nawawala pa ang bola. Malakas shoot nga lang. Number 16. Pass to number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 21. Short. Rebound ni number 2. Kumalima. Outlet to number 16. Niyoyo. Short. Rebound to number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Ay! Wala pa rin. Power move. Counted by number 1. Reserve sa Tyler.
We had no reason to lose against.
Number 2, may tama mo
No
na.
reason.
Counted by number 21. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 16. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 23, number 23, 11, 10 seconds to shoot, 16, tumira ng 3. Help! Airball. Help! Subtile rep.
If we get the blue team, we would have got fucked up. Yeah, we would have.
Foul by number 10, pass to number 21.
Yeah, but we lost 5 points against the blue team.
Number 21, guarded by Flores, number 26, number 21, 15 seconds to shoot, number 16, pass to number 12, number 12, take 3. 3-point by number 12, lima na lang po ang kalamangan ng Tres Marias kontra Espina. Number 7, sa gitna, number 7, 15 seconds to shoot, Flores, pinara sa gitna, ikot-ikot ang bola, shoot na lang Karibani. Foul. Foul by number 23. Number 23 committed first personal foul. First team foul. Time out. Blue ball tayo, blue ball. 12 to number 21. Number 21, dribble ball, guarded by number 4, using the big. Number 21 pa rin. Sarap. Number 12, using the glass. Bang! Counted by number 12. Tatlo na lang po ang kalamangan ng Tres Marias kontra Espina. Number 14, dribble the ball. Sa gitna. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Sa kanya pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. At taas. Nakakuha pa rin. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 17. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala. Foul. Foul by number 1. First personal foul. 14.
Huh? You stand up, I'll do that. We'll go for that.
Number 10. Number 1. Number 1. Dribble ball. Last by number 26. Ayaw ba talaga ang defense ng batang rotten? Mr. Flores. Number 2 to Mr. Flores. 26 sa gitna. Drop to number 17. Ay, hindi mo yung pasa ng palayon. Para kay Flores. 16 na number 21. Lima na naman po ang kalamangan ng Tres Marias. Number 21. Pass to number 1. Number 1 guarded by number 26. Number 1 using the big cross. Wala pa rin. Foul. Foul by number 26. Number 26 committed first personal foul at 13 foul.
Relax lang, may Justin.
14 seconds for shoot. Number 21. 21 pa rin naghanap na mapasahan. Didiretso na lang. Ang ganda ng trap. Pero may foul. Foul by number 24. Number 24 committed first personal foul. A 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Tres Marias is warning for penalty. Sub-tie ref.
Make two, bro.
Teka lang. Not counted.
Isa lang. Tugs. Nice. Oh, my base.
Hop! Flores pa rin. Kick out to number 2. Flores back to number 14. Wala. Airball na tayo dyan.
Let's use.
Out to number 21. Hindi abot.
Kain na dapat.
6 minutes and 12 para sa ating final quarter. Number 14, pass to Flores. Flores sa gitna. Flores Malayari by number 1, 15 seconds to shoot. Flores, still trap using the glass. Wala. Well, to number 1, counted. Tatlo na lang hinahabol ng Espina. Number 2. May tahan ng bola, tumira ng tres, shoot, na-rebound ni number 16, nagkaroon ng papasabi na sa kanya number 10, pass to number 12, 5 minutes and 38, number 12, harassing by number 26, uy! Ganda naman ang stats ngayon, number 12, pass to number 12, 10 seconds to shoot, intercepted, number 14, in and out, violent, pero mas marami ang asul, number 14, dribble ball, 15 seconds to shoot. Tumira ng tres.
Hell na!
Malakas. Number 12. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Short na lang tayo ni number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 12. 14. The middle. Drop. Fake. Foul. Who's foul? Foul by number 16. Number 16 committed. First personal foul, first team foul.
Short.
Not counted, naribang pa rin nila ang bola. Hop! Offensive foul para kay number 24.
Hello.
Sub-tie ref.
Huh?
Foul the ball by number 16.
Nasa baba yata.
Rolling.
Ay, nakimacho.
Pinis talaga ng batang Rolden.
Nasa court.
Foul by number 26.
Nandito pa kay Macho. Sa court.
Penalty.
Sige na.
Penalty na po ang Tres Marias. Flores committed second personal foul. Penalty.
Hey, ref, that's a
Counted. How about the second try and last one para kay number 1? Counted.
Basic lang.
Number 4 to Mr. Flores. Number 26.
Just like that, bro.
26 to number 2. Pass to number 7.
Oh, shit!
Number 12. Black kay number 1.
Oh! Oh, didn't jump that. Fuck, my bad. Sorry po. I forgot, bro. I forgot. I'm fucking doing this. Hey, yo, sub. I forgot. I'm so locked in, bro.
Number 2. Corner 3. Shoot. Rebound ni number 4. Pagkala sa kanya bola, pero nakalakapin niya number 14. Elbow jumper. Ay! Shoot pa rin number 1. Nawala bola na ako ni number 14. Number 14. Passing number 26.
Missed it, bro.
10 seconds to shoot. Track to number 4 sa loob. Ang ganda ng depensa. Napapayungan. Ay! Tumakas ang init. Turnover tayo. Good tayo. Spinable. Sub direct. Sub. Sub daw tayo. Sub. Teka lang. Wala yung ano. Blue ball po tayo. Blue ball. Blue. Isa na lang po ang kalaman ng Tres Marias kontra Espina. Fouled by number 12. Pass to number 1. Ang key player ng Espina, number 1. Nagkaroon na mamasaan. Nasa ka number 21. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 21, guarded by number 26. 10 seconds to shoot. Kick out to number 12. Pass to number 1. 5 seconds to shoot. Ay! Malakas nga lang nariwan ni number 10. Number 10, pina sa kay number 12. Number 12. Hop. Ang ganda rin ng depensa. Number 12, kick out. Number 1. Tagay ng Tres. Tres Marias ball. Inbound by Flores Pastor Ortiz. Mr. Flores. Flores may tangan ng bola, 15 seconds to shoot. Corner pass to number 2, back to Flores. Flores using the pick. Flores pa rin, cross to number 7. Number 7, pin up. By foul. Foul by number 1, De Guzman. De Guzman committed second personal foul. A second team foul.
That's bad. That's a bad goal.
Red, pumasok ba yun?
Malakas. Lang. Number 1. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 1. Foul by number 18. 18 committed second personal foul. Penalty. Counter na. Number 2, dribble the ball. Gumilid ng bagya. 15 seconds to shoot. Cross pass to Flores. Sa loob kay number 18. 18. Ang kanta ng depensa ni number 10. Nakakuha ni number 12. Number 12. Ito na ang asul. Lalabang kaya sila. Number 12. Nice steal! Pinis na naman ng back route na to. Ay, ang ganda naman ang lakas ng pass. Number 24. Calder. Number 12. Number 1.
Number 1, dribble the ball. Ginaba na yan yung Batang Roden. Tumira ng 3.
Oh,
Ayun ang tinatawag na pamatay sunog. Number 7, to Flores. Tumira rin ng 3. Makasala na rebound ni number 10. Number 10, number 21. Number 21, pass to the ball. Ito na yung Azul. Crossover. Pass to number 26. Number 26, Flores. Crossover sa gitna. Malakas. Tarba ni sino ba? Nakakuha. Number 7. Number 7 pa rin. Take. Shot. Using the glass. Up. 29 to number 21. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining para sa ating final quarter. 29 to number 21. 15 seconds to shoot. 21 sa gitna. Malakas. Rebound ni number 24. Number 24, foul. Foul by number 16. 16 committed first personal foul. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Flores Tortis. To Flores. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Flores, crossover, in and out, sa gitna, drop to 24. Kick out to number 7. Ang ganda ng depensa. Number 10 to number 16. To number 29. Ayun na. 24 to number 18. Number 18 to number 24. Pass to number 7. 8 seconds violation. Blue ball tayo. Inbound the ball by number 12. Number 12 pass to number 10. Back to number 12. Guarded by number 7. Number 12. Number 12. Using the pick. Foul by number 7. Number 7 committed third personal foul. Penalty. Penalty na tayo. Penalty. Number 16 committed third personal foul. A 14th foul. Warning for penalty.
what? Backcourt. Hey, Mikey.
Number 2 committed second personal foul. Penalty.
Hey, Mikey. The blue team got lucky. Yeah, the blue team got lucky.
Bro, just like that, bro.
Fucking hell, man.
Tabi-tabi muna tayo dyan, oh. Yung sa bench na nga hindi makita natin. Susunod tayo. Counted it. The boundary after ball. Number 2. Sa gitna. Drop. Kaliwa. Shoot. Kalibani. Number 2. Kalibani Kabela. Foul. Foul by number 18. Number 18 committed. Second personal foul. Penalty. After first penalty.
It's kind of fucked up that I lost to them, bro. It's kind of fucked up that I lost to them.
Timeout, Tres Marias. Inbound by number 7, pass to number 2, long three.
Oh! I missed it.
Hindi lang ako. Number 29. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Fake shot. Not counted. Rebounding number 7. Wala na pong timeout ang SP na team.